Supuriman. Naghahanap pa rin kami ng kwan. Ng pupuntahan. Ayaw mo pa sa labay? We're close. Wala pa rin. Yung mukhang nakakalayo na kami Bloomingdale. Ayan. Yo, Supuriman. Ang taas ng building na ito, nakakalola dadaan pa siya ron. Naman din namin yung pupuntahan namin, guys. Yun, 360. Ayos, thank you Lord. Ay, nabannog ni Supuriman. 360. Explore. Oh yeah, meron yan. Move. Pupunta kami sa 360. Ito, Supuriman. Wow. Binasiman. Alright. One by one, Cheche. You have to learn. Oi.
One person. Iman, you go and
Okay, ako. See, one more. Okay, go, Elisa. Meme, next. Next. Ako muna. One more. Almost na you go in. Go to 360. 1, 2, 3, smile. Welcome through 60 Chicago. Next showing. Alright.
tingin ka. Last na tama.
Smile. Ang daming ilaw dito sa 360 Nice. Thank you very much. Inventory man. Yeah. 9. Ilang floor? Nagbibilang ba siya? 360. Nice. Yan sa view Look at that. Very nice. May top of the world. Take a look. Oh, ganda
Ganda.
O dyan, picturean ko kayo dyan. Naman sa kabila guys. Kitang-kita yung buong building ng Chicago. Ito pala, mandito pala yung dagat Nice. Uy, maraming naliligo sa beach. Wow, look at that. A nice building Wow, mas mataas pa kami dyan. Ibig sabihin ang taas nito guys. Ayan, 360 natin guys Look at that. Kabilang side naman ako guys, oh. Yan. Nice. 360 Chicago. Oh. Sa kaliwang side ito. Uy, dagat din pala yan. Uy, yun yung nakikita sa kuwan, no? Yun, oh. Yun pala yun. Very nice. Masarap siguro magbuta, no? Parang kitang-kita mo rin. Parang Toronto rin pala ito. Chicago, oh. Lalaki ng building. Yun. Nakakalula, guys. Ha? Ikutin natin itong 360 building. Nice. Ito sa kabila naman, guys, oh. Yan. Ayos na linya yung dagat, oh. Ayos pala eh. Lumapit ako, guys. Kitang-kita ko ngayon yun, oh. Rueda na malaki. Oh. Yan, oh. May swimming pool sa taas ng hotel, oh.
Those don't matter. Look, there's a Ferris
Tsaka
wheel.
yung isa, oh. Yun, yung dalawang ate, oh. Oh. Look at that. Unti-unti na siyang ano. It's moving, it's going down. Oh, it's shaking, ha? Ate, it is shaking. Alright. Nice. Look at that, he's shaking, man. Siguro 15 bucks, man. Right on. One more. Ate Chi says, good. He's not shaking.
Looks open there a few minutes.
I know.
At the church, at the lecture, it just looks loud.
One more. Look down. Tatur-turut ni Cece. Tek-tekir di panganay, eh.
No, don't they feel scared, but like not really
Yeah.
scared, like he's really. I'm just
Nice.